Third problem. The figure below shows a multiplexer where S1 and S0 are select lines, I0 to I3 are the input data lines, En is the enable, and f of p, q, r is the output, fs dash. So in this problem we have to calculate the output of multiplexer. In this diagram, multiplexer is given. Here we have four inputs, I0, I1, I2, I3. R is given to I0 and 0 is given to I1, R is given to I2 and 1 is given to I3. And we have enable input, 0 is given to enable input. That means it active low. And we have two select lines or data lines, that is S0 and S1. This is LSB, this is MSB. And the select lines are named as PQ. And F is termed as output, only one output. We all know multiplexer have many input and only one output. So based on the control line, it can select any one of the input to the output at one time. Okay. So let me show you how to calculate the output of multiplexer. So in this case, we have two select lines, that is two control lines, PQ. Two input means we have four combinations, that is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So I'm going to solve with this two input. If the input is P bar Q bar, control input is P bar Q bar means it can select I0. So if the input is P bar Q bar, it can select I0. Here R is given to I0. So I have written R. Next one is if the input is P bar Q bar, if the input is P bar Q bar, it can select I1. That is, it can select 0. Input is P bar Q bar, it can select I1, that is 0. Next one is if the input is PQ, if the input is PQ bar means it can select I2. So I2 means R is given to I2. So I2 means it can select R. Next, if the input is PQ, it can select I3. 1 is given to I3. So likewise, I'm going to solve this F value. Have written F is equal to, if the input is P bar Q bar, means it can select I0, that is R. Plus, next, if the input is P bar Q, it can select I1, that is 0. Plus, if the input is PQ bar means it can select I2, that is the input is R. Plus, if the input is PQ, it can select 1. Okay. So likewise, we have to write the output of multiplexer. Next, I'm going to simplify this one. Here P bar, Q bar, R plus, so 0 means it is 0 plus PQ bar, R plus PQ, right? So here we have Q bar, R bar is common term taken outside, Q bar, R. So remaining terms are P bar here P plus PQ, right? So we know that A bar plus A is 1. We know that A bar plus A is 1. Likewise, P bar plus P is 1. Therefore, we have written Q bar R into 1 plus PQ. Therefore, F of P, Q, R is equal to Q bar R plus PQ. So this is the answer. This is the output value of multiplexer.